So, you're an entrepreneur, and it's time to start raising money. Perhaps you're a startup shopping your business plan around with little success, or an established company looking to raise capital to get you to the next level in the evolution of your company's growth. Maybe you invested personal funds to get this venture started or to accelerate your company's expansion strategy. Possibly you've borrowed capital from friends and family, or you've gone through the traditional bank loan route in what seems to be a never-ending spiral of shady characters, laughable equity exchange offers, and bank loan denials. In doing so, perhaps you've experienced the downside of excessive interest rates that deteriorate your ability to realize larger profits. Or maybe your personal credit has been damaged by late payments, or just too much credit that off-balances your credit ratios. Maybe you've experienced the frustration of swimming in an ocean of economic opportunity only to miss out due to lack of funds. Wouldn't it be great to have access to capital when you want it, and not have to fill out one loan application after another, or to constantly be held hostage to predatory funding sources that will take forever to approve your loan and then add agonizing amounts of interest to your loan, depleting your ability to realize the profits that you deserve? Would you achieve your goals sooner if, right now, you had immediate access to $1 million, $3 million, $5 million, or more? What if you never had to fill out another loan application? What if you could start growing your business at an astonishing rate while never having to use your personal credit or credit from cosigners again? What if you could once and for all take control of your financial future and finally start growing the corporate empire you've always dreamed about? If you can relate to anything I've just mentioned, we would like to offer you a powerful solution that will enable you to take control of the developmental and expansion funding needs of your company and alleviate the stress of being financially strapped. The solution comes in the form of what is called a private placement memorandum. This powerful fundraising mechanism allows entrepreneurs to sell stock to friends and family, creating a fund that will enable you to grow your company without the headaches of banks and other predatory loan sources. This easy-to-use, fill-in-the-blank private placement memorandum template comes with a full explanation of the history and uses of private placement memorandums. And in this case, a Regulation D Rule 506 exemption is built into the document, which allows real estate investors to raise over $5 million for their venture. For a very limited time, we'll also include two major bonuses. As an added bonus, with the purchase of the template below, you'll receive our Regulation D Executive Introduction Package, a $199 value, yours free, an audio training course which walks you through advantages to Regulation D Rule 504, advantages to Regulation D Rule 505, advantages to Regulation D Rule 506, what kinds of companies can make best use of Regulation D, SEC regulations for a private placement memorandum, and one more added bonus. We will also provide our new Renaissance Corporation Pre-IPO Strategies audio guide, a $199 value, yours free, for those of you curious about the next step post-PPM. Have you ever considered taking your company public? Here is a quick audio guide for what you should be conscious of during this important decision process. And we define the basics so you can move to the next level in a more prepared manner. This is a must-have for any executive or entrepreneur considering a reverse merger or IPO strategy. This IPO prep course includes: what is an S1? What is the difference between the OTCBB and the FSE, and why you need to be informed? How do companies use social media for their investor relations strategy for a more powerful stock price and volume? Download this powerful template and audiobook series when you buy the PPM template for entrepreneurs today.